Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a circle name on the Life360 app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to edit a Life360 circle name, head over to the Life360 app. Then once you're in the app, make sure you have the correct circle selected at the top. Mine selected as family. Then next, tap on the gear icon in the top left hand corner. Then tap on Circle Management. Here tap on Edit Circle Name, and here is where you can edit the circle name, so you can change it from family to family 1 or to whatever you want to call it. Once you're done, tap on Save in the top right hand corner and your circle will then be renamed. That's all it takes to edit a circle name on the Life360 app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.